Hi friends, welcome back to another DoSeum Do It at Home. Today I have a very special activity from our friends at Watt Watchers. We're going to be making junk art. I'm so excited for this video today. I hope you are too. Stick around and we can do it together. Y'all, look at all this stuff I found. Somebody was going to throw all of this away. I bet you have some stuff at home too that you could use to make some junk art. I think I can make a wind chime if I use this strainer and the keys and this can. You guys can use whatever you have at home. I'm sure you can come up with some really great things to use your trash that you would otherwise be throwing away and make it into something super cool at your house to decorate with or to hang outside so it makes beautiful music. So let's go ahead and grab all these keys, the strainer, and I like both of these cans, but I think I'm gonna use this one. I have all my stuff together and now I'm ready to get started. So in addition to these really great things I found, I also went through my drawers and found some thread. This is really fancy like embroidery thread because it's really colorful. And I also figured I was going to need some scissors, so I grabbed some of those as well. If you're at home and you're trying to make some sort of wind chime like this, you might have a can and then you would need like a nail to make holes in the can so that way you can hang stuff from it. But this is what I have here today. So now I can go ahead and get started. I'm going to cut some of this string to the length that I want and then tie it to my strainer so that way I can add the keys to it. And last one, done. The only thing you need to make sure you do as well is tie a knot and like a string through the top so that way you have somewhere to hang it. Now when I make stuff like this, I like to put all of my string on here first so that way I can make sure they're all the same length. You can see that some of them are really short and some of them are really long. So I need to make sure that they're the same length because that way when the wind blows, they are able to hit each other. If they're too different on their lengths, then the keys won't actually make any noise. So I'm just going to clean this up a little bit. And then we can get started on tying all of our keys on here. Let's see how this looks now. That's a lot better. I'm keeping this one in the middle really long because that's where I'm going to put my can at. And I want to make sure I have enough string to tie through my can. But once you've got this all done, you're ready to start adding whatever you're going to put on your wind chime. So let's start tying these keys. Let's do this one. I like this one. It's got 3 little parts on it. It looks kind of like a heart almost. And I'm just going to stick the string through the top of the key and tie it on tight. I'm going to do a double knot just to make sure that the keys don't fall off. And done. You guys want to see what it looks like? Dun, 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 dun. I love it. I think this looks so good. And I love the little tinkling sounds that it makes. What I'm going to do now, like I said, is this yellow string is for my can, so that way it'll make an even better noise when it hits the can. But make sure when you guys are tying these onto here that you're balancing it out. So you have the same amount on one side as you do on the other side. Because if you have too much on this side, it's gonna tilt and it won't work as well. Go ahead and get that can tied on here. So I'm using this can that I hammered holes into so that way I can get the string in. If you're doing this at home, definitely ask your grown-up for help so you can hammer holes into your can. Also, sometimes when you open cans up, it can leave a jagged edge, which can hurt your hands if you're going inside. I'm gonna protect my hands by putting tape on the inside of my can. You ready? Wow, this is awesome. I can't wait to hang it up and hear how it sounds when the wind blows it. That's our episode today, you guys. Thanks for joining me again. I can't wait to see what kind of junk art you make at home with stuff you would probably just be throwing away. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. For more on energy conservation, check out our energy passports available at the front desk here at the DoSeum. Thank you, CPS Energy, for helping us make these really great passports. We'll see you next time.